Oh, the simple yet delicious grilled cheese sandwich. For the first sandwich, we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to be using Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack. I also like to put diced onions into mine, which is completely optional. Let's go ahead and mix all the cheese together. It's already looking really good. Grilled cheese sandwiches always seem to hit the spot. They're really easy to make, quick, and take you back to your childhood. Can never resist a nice, melted grilled cheese sandwich. I'm using white bread. We're going to go ahead and spread the cheese nice and evenly. Go ahead and pack it as much as you'd like. Again, I'm using diced onions. I feel like the onions give it a nice crunch and add a bonus flavor. I know, I get it. Onions aren't for everybody. It's completely fine if you want to skip this step. Set your stove to medium-low heat. I'm going to be using a carbon steel skillet. You can use any skillet that you like, just make sure you preheat it. Next, I'm going to be adding grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a crucial step. It increases the smoking point for butter. Now, of course, there's limitations. Butter burns really easily, so keep an eye on it. And make sure to dress the entire pan with butter. Alright, and in goes the sandwich. It's about a minute to a minute and a half each side, but an easy way to tell is when you start seeing these bubbles increasing. It's about time to flip it. Now that looks pretty good, but I want it a little bit more crunchy, so it's okay if you have to flip it multiple times. Just do what you have to do to get this result. But let's take a look inside. I love that burnt cheese on top. And the inside is nice and melted. The cheese is stringy. This is going to taste so good, but I think we can make it a bit better. So, let's add another favorite ingredient. That's right, mac and cheese. This is literally taking all of your childhood favorites and combining it into one amazing sandwich. And just like before, I'm going to add some onions. Again, I get it, it's not for everybody. Highly recommend it. Try it out. You never know, you might love it. And then I'm going to add some of that mixed cheese. This time I'm going to pack it a little bit extra. And for the showstopper, we're going to put some mac and cheese on top. You can see that the sandwich is getting a bit messy, but you know where we're going with this. I added my grapeseed oil and butter, and in goes the sandwich. Now this time I'm going to make sure that the bubbles are a little bit more aggressive before flipping it, and I want to make sure it's flat so there's complete contact. You can see that the cheese is starting to infuse with the mac and cheese. This is going to be really, really good. Here comes the flip. Now before I flip it this time, I want to make sure there's butter underneath. I'm going to set the sandwich back down and press down gently just to make sure I have good contact. I think it's ready. Let's check out the results. Just like before, the cheese is melted, gooey, and stringy. But this time, we have an infusion of mac and cheese. Now this is how you make a grilled cheese sandwich, and it's super easy to do. Try it out for yourself, try it out with the onions. I think you guys are going to really like it. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next videos. And please share with your friends. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.